Hello everyone, welcome to Master Speech. And today we are going to discuss humanistic perspectives of learning. It is a learner-centered approach by Carl Rogers. So let us have this particular humanistic perspectives of learning. Okay, so here the introduction to humanistic perspectives, whole person focus. So it is emphasizes on emotional, social, and intellectual development of the entire learner. So personal growth, learning is viewed as a process of self-actualization and personal development. It is a unique approach. It is differ from behavioristic, that is stimulus response, and cognitive, that is mental process perspective. It is totally unique one. So let us see about the Carl Rogers. Okay, he's a pioneer of humanistic psychology. Carl Ransom Rogers. So he lived between 1902 1987. American psychologist and educator, founder of person-centered therapy, pioneered learner-centered education, believed in innate human potential. So the key contribution shifted focus from teacher-directed to learner-directed education. The concept of learner-centered approach. Here, learners need self-direction, personal growth. So learners' needs means education center on individual interest and requirement. Self-direction. So students take responsibility for their own learning journey. Then personal growth. Learning viewed as a holistic development, not just knowledge acquisition. So the learner-centered approach places the student at the heart of the education process, recognizing their unique potential and capacity for self-directed growth. So basic assumption of humanistic learning, it is a natural motivation. Learners possess innate curiosity and desire to learn when given the right environment. Self-initiated learning. So learning becomes most meaningful when it is self-initiated and personal relevant to the learner. So emotional integration. Emotions and feelings play a vital role in the learning process and cannot be separated from cognition. So principles of learner-centered learning, freedom to learn. Students choose what and how they want to learn. Self-evaluation. So learners assess their own progress and growth. Experimental learning, learning through direct experiences and reflection. Threat-free environment, learning occurs best without fear or anxiety. See, as Carl Rogers says, the only person who is educated is the one who has learned how to learn and change. Okay, so the key concept Rogers theory here, congruence goal, self, real, and ideal self here is there. You can check this one. Okay, so teacher as a facilitator here and learner is an active participant in humanistic classroom. Okay, so classroom implications and methods. It is a democratic climate. So respectable environment, valuing individual differences and student-wise importance given. Then experimental learning, project method, group work, self-learning activities. Student autonomy, free to choose topics, space, and learning strategies. So merits and limitations of this one, humanistic approach. Merits, promotes self-confidence. So builds learners' autonomy and self-esteem. Encourages creativity. Fosters innovative thinking and problem solving. Emotional development, supports holistic growth and well-being. About the limitation, it is the implementation challenges difficult in large, crowded, overcrowded classroom. Curriculum concern, less emphasis on structured syllabus covered, then time incentive, so requires more time than traditional method. This is about the humanistic approach. We'll meet with the other concept. Thank you for watching. In order to have this particular PDF, you can join our course by downloading Master Speech. Thank you. All the best for your coming examination.